Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And for today's video I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful wavy curves using a hair color. So this is very beautiful, bouncy, and they gives beautiful dimension to your flat hair. If you want to know that, then keep on watching. So this is how my hair looks. So I have washed my hair today, and I'm going to comb my hair. They're quite long, and I'm going to divide into partitions so that it is manageable and I can make beautiful curls. Before doing anything, I need to make sure there are no more tangles in my hair. So I'm going to take out the front portion of my hair, the crown portion of my hair, and make a beautiful bun, and then divide the rest of the hair and start making curls. I have a very big mirror at right hand side and one more mirror at my front, so you will sometimes see me watching right hand side and sometimes at the front. So it is a big mess to curl hair in front of a camera, because you need an extension so that you can put your hair color and all this. So I tried to show you guys, so let's see how it goes. Next I'm going to take out the portion of my hair and apply some hairspray or heat protector so that my hair does not get damaged because of the heat. This is a very important part, because sometimes it happens you don't use a heat protector and use your curler or straightener, and then you end up burning your hair. So make sure you use a nice heat protector or a hairspray. So here I am using the hairspray from Wella. You can use the bee blunt ones also. These are also very good, the bee blunt ones. So I am taking a small portion of my hair, and this is the hair color. This is also from Vega. I bought it from Amazon, and I am twisting my hair like this, and make sure to hold your hair at the end, and you have to be like this position for almost 10 to 20 seconds. It depends upon the hair color also. Some hair colors, they heat up so fast you don't need to hold it so long, but some hair color it takes time to curl the hair. So you have to first time you have to try and see how long it takes to curl a hair. So I made a curl here, and after curling here you have to hold it for some time because the hair is hot. Let it get cold so that the curl stays in place. So while I was doing this filming, I found my hair is not much visible in this black t-shirt, the black top. So I thought, I need to change this top, I cannot film. So I wore a white top so that everything looks clear. So everything I started from the beginning. I applied some hairspray and then partitioned my hair, and taking a small portion of the hair, I started again taking the hair color barrel and started curling my hair like this. You need to be very careful because the hair color is very hot, and you may sometimes hurt the area near your neck or anything. So my color, I need 20 to 30 seconds to make the curls. So here I am waiting for it to get curled, and once after 20 seconds I like to take out the end and slowly unwrap the curl from the hair color barrel, and see, it's going to give a beautiful curly hair. So I'm holding it until it becomes a little bit of cold. So if you want, you can take a small clip also or clutch, and keep this hot air in your pinned in your head and wait for it to cool down like this. So I am taking a next portion of my hair and then again using the barrel and taking the old pin, I am going to pin it up in my hair temporarily, and next again starting with one more portion of my hair like this. I finished one side of my hair and put it back. Again I am taking this portion, little small portion of my hair, wait for 20 seconds and then pin it up until it becomes cold, and once it is cold your hair will be curled enough. So like this I'm going to do for all my hair and put all the curls in the back. You can see every time I do curling, after that I'm keeping the curls in the back. And next I'm going to take the crown section of my hair and divide it into two portions and apply some heat protector, and same thing I'm going to do. I'm going to wrap the hair in the hair color barrel and then pin it up for some time until it becomes cooled, and once it has cooled down I just open the curl and it comes a very beautiful curl. Here I have kept the whole footage of me curling my hair, but I kept it in fast forwarding motion, otherwise the video is going to be very long. But it does not take much time to curl your hair, and it looks very beautiful, bouncy, and a lot of volume gets added because of these curls. And if you want more volume, you have to make sure you do inward and outward curls. Means while curling your hair, means wrapping your hair around the barrel, you have to make sure one is inward and another is outward. That will make more volume to your hair. So like this I have completed curling all my hair into small portions, and it has come up with beautiful curls. Now I am going to slowly move around my fingers over the curls so that they don't look separate, they all look curled and moist, and run over a little bit of hair setting spray. So this will make sure my hair stays curled. So generally I like to add it at the end of my hair, so this will make sure the curls stays all day long. For my front section, I don't like to have very curly hair. I like to have a little bit of straight hair, so I like to use my straightener for my front section. So not too much, I am going to use it at the end so that at least they don't look so curled, so much curled. So yeah, I have used my straightener on the front section. Next I am going to take this shine spray from Be Blunt. This is going to give a beautiful shine for your hairs, since because of the heat, the curler, your hair must have become quite dry, so it is going to give a little bit of shine to it. And then I'm going to spread my hair from the roots. I'm going to move my fingers along the roots so that it looks more voluminous and more wavy. So that's the finished look. Like, this is how I like to curl my hair. I like to have a beautiful wavy hair. I like to have like that. Also I do like to have very small curly hair also, that tutorial also is going to come on my channel. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then please click on the like button. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye.